Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what to do when your foundation is oily and tacky and messy and just really greasy. So I've got a few hacks that I'm going to throw in for you guys to help you guys so that you can look flawless and oil free throughout the day. So all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, the first thing that you want to do is always use a coverage of foundation that is mattifying if you have oily skin. Now, I have been using this face the entire day, and as you can see right now, I'm starting to get oily and greasy. And I did use a full cover foundation, but like I think sometimes with the heat and stuff like that, we tend to get like a whole lot of more hot and oily and all of that. So I'm going to throw you in some tips that can clear this all up. So guys, in these hacks that I'm actually going to be showing you, they're going to be one after the other. They don't have to follow like one after the other. They can go in any order. Sometimes you might do the first thing and then the other two you already see you're less oily and you're fine, you're ready to go. So you just skip out the others. Other than that, if you are like a grease ball like me, go ahead and follow all of them. So guys, first thing first, you want to get yourself a piece of tissue. If you can split it, by all means do that. Thereafter, I'm trying to open my mirror. Thereafter, you're going to take the piece of tissue and just dab it, like blot it all over your face. Try and get out as much oil as you can. Generally, it's the T-zone area that actually gets oily. So try and place more coverage on those kinds of areas. %90 of you are going to stop here because as you can see, it's like literally so effective. So this is what my tissue looks like. Messy. Next guys, you're going to go in with a beauty blender that is dirty. So the one that you used at the beginning of the day, use the exact same one, which is this one that I have used. Spray in some face mist, just a little bit, and let that all sink in. Now this is dirty. Also, what it's going to do is absorb all the product that was on your face, hence removing the oiliness. So take that and go in all over your face. So what this is doing is actually setting your face as well as removing what was actually on your face. So if you look here and look here, you can still see the oil stains here. Look and see here. So I want you to just go in and remove everything from here. Go in blotting motions. Do not go in swiping motions because you're just gonna ruin everything. Next guys, what you're going to be doing is taking some translucent powder. I put mine at the back of the lid because sometimes so much actually comes out, and go in with this brush, the fan brush. You have to use translucent powder. You've got no option but to use translucent powder because this is the only powder that's going to be effective. The powder that's going to be effective in keeping your exact makeup as well as setting it at the same time. The bronzer that's your exact same skin tone, that's going to make you monotone. You're going to look one tone and all your contour, your glow, everything's going to be gone. So take some of this, just rub it all over. Don't be shy. Rub it. Rub it all over the face. Now this is the third step. You can stop at any one of the three that I'm going to be showing you. There's one last step that I'm going to be telling you guys, and that's going to be at the end of the video. Now go in and just make sure that you wipe out everything. Don't leave anything, otherwise it's going to set that area and it's going to leave a blot on that area. So just make sure you set everything properly. That's why I'm telling you to go in with this brush, because it really picks up nothing. Now guys, for the last hack, what you're going to need is a dry beauty blender. Now this is not a dirty beauty blender, I washed it, but it's stained. Dry beauty blender, and pat everything together, everything together. Just seal everything. Don't be shy, just seal everything together with the dry beauty blender and you will be good to go for a good few hours. So guys, this is how it turned out. So I went from looking like the beginning of the video to now looking like I just did a fresh face of makeup, when I actually didn't. Going in and doing your foundation and everything all over again takes up so much of time, plus it also stains your face. Like sometimes if we wear mascara that is super long lasting, like I'll give you brand like Estee Lauder, they stain. Like I get stained, and in the morning when I wake up I have extra raccoon eyes even though I remove everything. So it's literally so difficult to go back and do everything. So here's a shortcut: just do everything one time and you'll be good to go. So follow these 4 process steps and you will be fine. You will be fine for another good 6 to 8 hours. So guys, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.